Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova 11. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter biometrics and password. Firstly, let's go to change lock screen password, change unlock method, and as you can see, right here we've got 5 types of passwords: 6-digit PIN, 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, and pattern and password. From the PIN passwords, we are going to use only 4-digit PIN because basically they are the same and the only difference in them is length. So let's set up 4-digit PIN and now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password and enter 4 to 32 characters. Again, use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's select pattern. To create pattern, we have to connect at least 4 dots. Tap done and use it to unlock the phone. Now, when it's done, we can go to biometrics. Our first biometric is fingerprint ID. Select unlock device and now add fingerprint. Scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK. And now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, select face recognition, get started, and now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Swipe up, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.